In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Suno AI. The process is pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. So whether you're new to Suno AI or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. First things first, let's head over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, you need to type Suno into the search bar. As you type, you might notice a few suggestions popping up, but just complete the word Suno and hit enter. This will bring up the search results related to Suno AI. As you look at the results, find and click on the Suno AI link. This should take you to the Suno AI homepage, which is where all the magic happens. Now that we're on the Suno AI website, it's time to locate your profile. You'll find your profile icon in the upper left corner of the page. It might be small, so take your time to look carefully and click on it. When you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options, including account settings and preferences. However, what we're interested in today is the Sign Out option. With the drop-down menu open, the next step is to click on Sign Out. This option is usually located toward the bottom of the menu. By clicking Sign Out, you ensure that your sessions remain secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Remember, logging out when you're finished using Suno AI not only keeps your information safe, but also allows you to log back in seamlessly when needed. That's all there is to it, folks. You've successfully logged out of Suno AI. Remember, always make sure you log out after each session to keep your information secure. If you ever need to log back in, just follow the standard login procedure using your credentials. Thank you for watching this easy logout guide for Suno AI. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it made the process clear and straightforward.